Have you ever wondered what sets champions apart from the rest of us? Is it their natural talent, their dedication, or perhaps something more elusive? Today, we're diving deep into the secrets of champions to uncover what they know that most of us don't. Let's explore the mindset and habits that propel them to success. Champions seem to possess a certain edge, a mindset that drives them forward. Many believe success is about hard work and being in the right place at the right time. But if it were that simple, wouldn't everyone be a champion? The truth is, the biggest obstacle to success often lies within our own mindset. Champions understand that success is not a destination, but a journey. We often think that reaching a certain goal will bring happiness and fulfillment. However, champions know that success is a continuous journey. It's about embracing a mindset and way of being that constantly seeks growth and improvement. They understand that success is not just about achieving a goal, but about the process and the lessons learned along the way. Champions possess certain traits that set them apart. They are resilient, adaptable, and willing to take risks. They have a growth mindset, always looking for ways to improve and learn. Consider Thomas Edison, who failed over 1,000 times before inventing the light bulb. He didn't give up. He saw each failure as an opportunity to learn and grow. Champions focus on the process, not just the outcome, and remain fully engaged in what they're doing. One habit that champions possess is the ability to reframe failure. They don't see failure as a setback. They see it as an opportunity to learn and grow. This mindset gives them the courage to take risks, try new things, and push past their comfort zones. By embracing failure, they open themselves up to new possibilities and experiences. Reframing failure is not just about changing how you view setbacks. It's about transforming your entire mindset. Champions are not just fixated on winning or achieving their goals. They focus on the daily habits and actions that will get them there. They understand the importance of being present in the moment and fully engaged in what they're doing. By concentrating on the process, they ensure that each step they take is purposeful and aligned with their ultimate goals. This focus on the process allows them to maintain motivation and resilience, even when faced with challenges. In summary, champions have a unique mindset that sets them apart. They possess traits like resilience, adaptability, and a growth mindset. They focus on the process, not just the outcome, and have the ability to reframe failure as an opportunity to learn and grow. By adopting these traits, you can drastically change your approach to success. If you've ever felt like giving up, share your experience in the comments below. And for more tips on personal development, check out my next video.